make a really fun keepsake using a hurricane glass, and we're taking a picture, a summer picture, and I've already just glue dotted basically the picture onto my ribbon. And I'm just gonna put that into my hurricane glass, tuck the top over, and I cheated and already put glue dots on the outside of my hurricane glass, so I can just fold it over and that will stay. Then I'm gonna take some sand and I'm just gonna pour the sand into my hurricane glass. And then I have these really pretty blue rocks, which remind me of the ocean. And I'm gonna take my mini Bowdabra, and I have some ribbon pre-cut, and I'm just going to dovetail, and this is fun, it's just a netting, which I thought would go really well with this craft. And I'm just going to go from the corner into my fold. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, I have it folded in half, I'm gonna lay that down into the mini Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of the way. Then I'm gonna take my longer piece of ribbon, just fold it in half, and just lay that into my mini Bowdabra. And I'm just going to do a little scrunchy bow. And then now I'm gonna make a little bow here like we do a hair bow. So I'm just going to tuck this under. So actually I'll do this really quick. I just put this in here. I'm gonna fold it over, and I'm just gonna tuck this end in here, and then find the center of my ribbon and just put a little crease in the center and scrunch it down into my mini Bowdabra. Take my wand, scrunch everything down, take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull this through my slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the mini Bowdabra, pull my bow out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot. And take my hurricane glass. Then I have this fish netting, and I'm just gonna fold it in half, and I'm gonna just set my hurricane glass right in the center. I'm gonna take the two ends and bring those up and make sure my hurricane glass is centered. So I'm just gonna now take the sides and gather everything up at the top and make sure that I have the picture in the back so that you can see it. And now I'm gonna just take my bow and I'm going to tie it onto my netting. Take my seashell, take a little bit of glue and just put that right there at the bottom. Pull everything tight and you have this really pretty little keepsake. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.